Election law link is in the description. Sustainability is going to change the world for the sustaining ability of America and the Earth. Sustainability is to sustain or not to sustain America for years to come 20, 30, 40, or 50 years plus. Sustainability is about access, values, and time. We value America. We value the sustainability of America. We should adopt sustainability to sustain America. Access is going to create a world where either we don't have access to clean water, food, air, healthcare, or we do have access to the essentials because we do value our access as important in accessing goods and services. If we value our time and our technology to help us achieve great breakthroughs to sustain America, we must first value ourselves as to value the limited time that we have to sustain or not sustain America. How do we value America, our time? More so than we do already, by adopting sustainability as a society, plain and simple. Access, values, and time. I'm just the only candidate that values sustainability, access, and time. More so for the long term to sustain the sustainability of American Earth. Steven Stone, Zozo POTUS, Clips. Thank you.